The WeatherTech AlloyCover is a lightweight, low-profile truck bed cover that maximizes protection from harsh weather conditions. With your purchase, you should have received a pre-folded alloy cover, side rails, safety straps, and rail clamps. You will also need a 1/2 inch wrench or torque wrench with a 1/2 inch socket, a tape measure or ruler, and protective eyewear. Spring clamps may also be required. Please note, if your alloy cover application includes split rails, please refer to the special instructions included in your owner's manual before moving forward. Start by positioning the side rail up against the inside lip of the box with the rubber weather strip pressed up against it. Adjust the side rail until the top is flush with the top of the box. Push the side rail forward until it touches the front of the box. To hold the rail in place while installing the rail clamps, we recommend using spring clamps or asking another person to hold the rail. Before installing the rail clamps to the side rail, make sure that they have a wide and narrow offset positioned at the top and bottom. Please note, the inner ledge of the side rail must be level before installing the alloy cover. If the ledge tilts up, position the clamps lower on the side rail until level. If the ledge tilts down, position the clamps higher on the side rail until level. Install the first rail clamp to the side rail, positioning it as close to the front of the box as possible and ensuring the teeth of the clamp engage with the grooves on the side rail. Turn the nut on the clamp finger tight, and then use the 1/2 inch wrench to finish tightening. Install 3 additional clamps along the side rail positioned 1/3 from the front of the box, 2/3 from the front of the box, and as close to the tailgate as possible. Repeat these steps with the other rail and remaining clamps on the other side of the box. At the front of the box, lift the folded alloy cover above the side rails and place the leading edge of the front panel on the front rails. Hold the rear edge 1 inch above the side rails and slide the cover hooks underneath the front rail catch on each side. With the cover hooks engaged underneath the front catches, lower the cover to engage the latches in the retainment brackets on each side rail. Then, attach the safety straps located on the side rails to the safety strap brackets located on the alloy cover. At the front of the cover, unhook the storage clips. Unfold the middle panel toward the tailgate, then unfold the rear panel. Always ensure the hooks and latches fully engage with the catches and side rails. To open your WeatherTech alloy cover after installation, start by opening the tailgate. Then pull the release latch underneath the rear panel. Fold the panels toward the cab and fasten the storage clips on both sides of the alloy cover to secure it. Please read the owner's manual included with your purchase for additional important information. Congratulations! Your WeatherTech alloy cover is now installed.